To view and share the Wi-Fi password on an Android phone, we'll first go to Settings. If you don't have settings on the home screen, just swipe up to reveal the app drawer and find your settings from there. In the settings, we'll go to Connections first, and from there tap the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Then tap the little gear icon next to the network and you'll see the password. Most phones will make you authenticate before showing the full password, and you'll need to be connected to the network to do this. On the bottom of the screen, there's a few options if you're looking to share the Wi-Fi password. You could, for example, use the QR code, which will instantly generate a QR code on your screen. You can then have your friend or someone else point the camera of their phone to the code, and they'll get automatically connected to the Wi-Fi without having to manually type the password. You can save the QR code as an image or share it via messages, email, or whatever. The Share Network button allows you to share the Wi-Fi network and password with nearby devices in a way that doesn't require them to scan anything. You can pick a nearby device and they'll get a prompt saying, "Another phone is sharing a Wi-Fi network. Tap to join if you want to." And that's it. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe to my channel while you're at it. I have hundreds of useful guides like this for Android and other devices.